Hey guys, I'm Simone. Welcome to Mama Says. Today, we're going to talk about a recipe that Zephyr loves. And guess what? Serena loves it too. It's our sneaky way of getting the vegetables in and keeping him healthy while allowing him to eat exactly what he loves. So who doesn't love aloo parathas, right? Everyone does. But we found a way to make it super healthy, yet super delicious. So to start with, a regular aloo paratha is made with wheat and you kind of create a stuffing and put it in. But we are doing our very own oats paratha, which has potato and, well, let me show you the ingredients. The ingredients are basic. We've boiled potatoes, we've got some chopped up spinach, we've got some oat flour, we've got a little bit of grated red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper, we've got some ginger and some onion. So guys, as I've told all of you before, I am a sucker for putting one green, one red and one yellow or orange vegetable into most of the kids' food. My kids aren't really the ones who eat the vegetables raw and all of that. I wish they did, but they don't. And if your kid isn't that child either, then this recipe is going to work wonders for you. So let's get started and let's show you how this is done. So other than the ingredients that I have shown you, we do use a little bit of jeera powder and of course salt to taste. We also use ghee and butter depending on, well, what the day is like. So as I've shown you that what we're using today is red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and spinach. But this can be replaced with various things. You can use butternut squash, you can use a little bit of beetroot and then it changes color. You can use a variety of ingredients. We've also used kale instead of spinach sometimes, but today we're using spinach. So as you know, we have mashed 4 potatoes. To the 4 potatoes, I'm gonna add 2 big spoons of oat flour. A little bit more. I'm gonna add all of my spinach. I'm gonna add all of the yellow bell pepper. The red bell pepper. The ginger. The onion. And of course, guys, we've grated the onion and kind of squeezed out the water. Now to this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of jeera or cumin as it's called. And I'm gonna add in a bit of salt. And now we're just gonna nicely mix this up. Okay, so what I've done, guys, is I've kept my pan to heat. I've just brushed it lightly with a little bit of ghee. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you the mix of, well, all our ingredients. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of this atta and I'm gonna make, well, you can say a ball this size. Honestly, you can do whatever size you want. It honestly doesn't matter. To each his own. We kind of make them a little bit thicker and a little bit, don't expect the paratha to be as thin as your regular roti parathas. It is a lot thicker than that. So I'm just gonna make a small one now and show you guys what it turns out like. So we've got a slightly greased pan with ghee. As you can see, it's very little. That's my paratha and I'm just gonna throw it over. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook this just like we would a regular paratha or, well, a regular tikki or whatever you want to call it. Allow it to kind of like brown a little bit on one side, then lightly grease this side again and flip it over. So we've got this sizzling away and very soon I'm going to flip it over. I have now flipped it over and you can see it's nicely browned over here. And now we're going to let the other side cook. Just a couple of minutes, guys. This is actually really fast to make, really easy to make, absolutely delicious to eat. And hey, remember, you can also replace the potatoes with sweet potato. You don't only have to use potato. Ready. That is our beautiful, healthy, yet delicious paratha. And of course, kids love it, even more decadent. And so, here goes. That's a little bit of butter that we're going to add on there. And voila, here it is. That is our potato pancake or aloo paratha. Full of goodness, you're gonna love it. I can't wait for you to try it. So guys, I'm certain that you are going to try this recipe because not only is it delicious, it's also absolutely healthy. Add a little bit of chilies into it and it's gonna be perfect for the adults too. I promise you're gonna love this one. So don't forget to try it. Tag us on Instagram, comment down below, click that subscribe button, and hey, that bell icon too. Stay tuned, we've got a lot more coming up for you.